Don't tell me how much money you really have. Make up a lie.
130.
I would have said if you're gonna dream big, Todd. My acting attorney general just lied too big. I want you to take and I want you to sign it. And then hold it up so everyone can see the federal offense you have just committed. He just clearly lost the Senate confirmation hearings on camera. Fold it in half, fold it again, sit on it. He just confirmed with his wife, and he didn't even go right or left cheek, he went dead center. Todd, are you still sitting on it?
Yes.
Todd, reach into the abyss. Read us those digits one at a time, please. Switch to me, please. Acting Attorney General, let's go over to this gentleman. Introduce yourself, please.
Pardon me?
Tell us your first name.
You don't know my name?
I know it, but it seems fake if I know, Todd. I can say it. Stand up. Give my hand, everybody, for helping me out. Todd, just tap on the mic. Let's make sure it works. Are you a money clip or a wallet kind of guy? Don't take it out.
No. Neither. It's more like a wallet.
Okay, it was a multiple choice. That's okay. Do you know, and I always ask this question because you never know, you're going out, cash isn't as common now. Do you know exactly how much is in there or you're not sure?
I'm not sure.
I like that, right? Hashtag baller.
No.
I want you to count it, but hold on. Do it under the table so there's no way I could see. Under the table, and move away with the microphone. I picked the right guy. Stand up. Lie to me. Don't tell me how much money you really have. Make up a lie.
All right, everyone. Get ready for one of the wildest White House moments you've ever seen. This guy is basically talking a top official into lying on stage. Don't skip this one.
Stand up. Lie to me. Don't tell me how much money you really have. Make up a lie. Make up a lie. Lie to me. How much you got?
130.
I would have said if you're gonna dream big, Todd.
That was dreaming big.
Folks, I notice patterns, and I can't explain why, and this is not a stereotype, but when I do this with men versus women, they lie differently, and I don't know why that is. It's not a gender stereotype, but for some odd reason, statistical analysis, women will prefer to use a number smaller than the amount they actually have on them. I don't know why. Men like to lie by saying things are bigger. No examples. You didn't laugh at that joke, Todd. Joke was hilarious. Bingo! My acting attorney general just lied too big. Here's the question to ask yourself. Cover your eyes. How could I know something he didn't even know? I'm gonna show you over here. I'm gonna show the president. President's still admiring the Czech crystal, I'm noticing. Those are beautiful chandeliers, sir. Open your eyes. How much you got, Todd?
$85.
$85, everybody! IRS conducting a forensic audit as we speak on you, sir. Do you know the gentleman standing in front of you, sitting in front of you?
I met him tonight.
Okay. You seemed happier than he did. That was a weird response. Tell us your name.
My name is Tom.
Tom, hold out your hands flat if you don't mind, like a pancake. Take any one of those bills out for me, Todd. And I want to create a moment in this room for Todd and Tom that you will never forget. Flip the bill over for me, and I want you to remember this White House Correspondents Dinner.
I will.
Todd is like, I should have brought more cash. Turn to face him, please. And what I'd like you to do here is you're gonna be his table. You could sit if you want, but that's okay.
Attorney General, so I should probably stand up.
I want you to take and I want you to sign it. Go ahead. and then hold it up so everyone can see the federal offense you have just committed. He just clearly lost the Senate confirmation hearings on camera.
Listen closely. Right here, things literally turn into a federal crime. A deputy attorney general gets talked into committing an offense. You have to see this.
He just clearly lost the Senate confirmation hearings on camera. I'm teasing you, Todd. Todd, did you sign that bill?
I did.
I don't know what you're smiling over here, Tom. You're an accessory to the crime, sir.
Okay.
This is the acting attorney general. I want you to take that bad boy, fold it in half, please. Fold it again, and I want you to recount the moments that just happened under oath in court. Did you touch that bill, Todd?
Yes.
Did Tom touch the bill?
Yes.
Did anyone else ever touch that bill, sir?
I'm sure someone else did, but not tonight.
Okay, well, statute of limitations. I want to make sure nobody ever wants to touch it in the future. Fold it in half, fold it again. Sit on it.
Sit on it.
He just confirmed with his wife, and he didn't even go right or left cheek, he went dead center. That's a man who takes no chances. You get to instill a little bit of yourself in this. Do you have a lucky number or something special to you? I do. You do? 1 digit or 2 digits? One digit? Bring it close to the heart.
Oh, this one?
That's your heart, yeah. We're not there yet. We're not there yet. And I want you to hit plus and hold it close to you and put in your lucky number. And then walk out into this crowd to somebody that you do not know. Is that possible? You seem a social butterfly. And I want to lock eyes. Look at me, sir. Look at me, sir. 500 times 1,000 is 500 G's. I'm a capitalist. I want 2 commas. I want a 3rd comma. I want millions. What's your name?
Colin. It's Colin.
Colin? 1 L or 2?
1.
All right, Michelle's not happy. Some of you, your memory is not as good. You don't know why that callback was funny. That's okay. Colin, 3-digit number between 100 and 500. Don't do 1, 2, 3. You're better than that, Colin. You're better than that. You got a number?
Yes, sir.
I didn't like it. Change.
Okay.
There it is. There it is. Whisper with no microphone into his ear your 3-digit number. Everybody make ambient ocean noises. Whoa. Did you hear what he said? We're gonna get the microphone right there, right there. Have a seat for me, Colin. Please type in, to this gentleman, please type in a times and put in Colin's 3 digits. You did it. Colin, have a seat. Wonderful. Did you hit equals?
Not yet?
Please.
All right.
Gotta be over 30 mil. It's gotta be over 30 million. Is it over 30 million?
It is.
Okay, I thought that was lightly impressive, but no, it's okay. I don't need the pity applause. Thank you though, Bobby. Thank you. I'm ready. I'm ready for you. Oh yeah, I'm not Rain Man. What do we get? That's the calculator, yeah.
Read the number.
Yeah.
All right. 53 million.
Hold up, 53 million.
670,000.
600, oh, I didn't leave enough room. Okay, I'm gonna wrap around. 53,670,000.
682.
$682. Bam. Have a seat. Give them a big round of applause. All my helpers. Dina, Josh, way to fact check. I appreciate you. Did you hear me say dollars? Yes. Imagine that you go to your ATM, that you swipe your card, that you type in your PIN code, or if I'm there, I do it for you. And suddenly, in your checking account balance, $53,670,682. How would you react? Let me see some faces. Okay, I like how some of you didn't hear the key word, checking account. This is not an interest-bearing account. I like how one guy swore under his breath, like tariffs. Folks, you should deploy this capital. Like my man right over here, Todd Blanche, looked at me like that was low. Tom, what did he sign, Tom? Was it a 20, a 50, or 100? We couldn't see. Tom is the guy next to him. Tom is the guy next to him. What was it?
A 20.
It was a 20?
Aye.
Todd, are you still sitting on it?
Yes.
Todd, reach into the abyss.
This scene is genuinely unbelievable. The guy is admitting exactly where he hid the money. Stick around, because the real shock comes in the calculator scene.
Stand up for me, please, sir. Todd, check the signature. Is this your bill that you took out of your pseudo money clip?
Yes.
You marked it, but so did the government of the greatest country on earth with an 8-digit serial number. Read us those digits one at a time, please. Switch to me, please. Switch to me, please. Switch to me, 1 digit at a time, please.
53670682.
Thank you very much, everybody! Amos Perlman, truly this has been the honor of a lifetime. Thank you very much, everybody.
The whole room is losing it right now. A random audience member suddenly becomes the center of everything. What happens next? Nobody could guess.